depth you can use, and then max depth find by type. We can find by using the type as well, right? I'm just sharing my screen. Type means, like, for example, if you want to type, if you want to search the file name, or else with the directories, all those things, you can use type hyphen F for file, hyphen D for directory, and then by name, hyphen name, and then you can mention the
name of the
file, all those things. And then size you can mention if you want, like size to be great. If you give plus 200 KB, that means like it will be more than 200 KB, minus if you give less than. Okay, these are all the few things we have discussed. Okay, till file size we covered, right? How to find files by size, till there we covered, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And logic or also we discussed.
Oh yeah, logic or also we have discussed. Logic or is simple thing. It need to meet the both the conditions. Then only you will get the result. If one condition fails, then you are not going to get the result. You understood that under logic, right?
Yes.
Under logic or not logic?
Yeah.
Okay. Simple thing. If you don't mention hyphen O option, then it is unlogic. If you mention hyphen O option in the middle, then it is going to be or logic. Or logic in the sense it should meet the both the requirements, not the single requirement. It is going to meet the both the requirements. Okay. Okay, there are some questions here. We'll cover the questions. What is the output of the following command? Okay, I'll just type the command. What is the output? Just tell me the output. Okay. Fine. This is topmost directory, that is root directory. Type, and then I'm searching if file size. I'm just mentioning the size here. What is the size? Minus 200K hyphen size plus 4 MB, capital M you should give here, and then type symbol WC SL. What will be the output here? See, this is the output, like let's say so many files you are getting. Okay, I mentioned WL minus L, but we are not getting the count here. Basically, you understood, right? By using this command, what it is going to do. We are going to get all the file sizes which are less than 200 KB, and then which are more than 4 MB. See, 0, we are getting 0. Why we are getting 0 here? Basically, they should be count, right? Number should be there, right? See, if you see here, lines we are getting as 0. Why? You're able to see the 0, right? 0 number here. Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah. Why?
Yeah, why we got the 0 is logic. Logic is important here. If you go here, what you are telling is it should be less than 200 KB, and at the same time it should be more than 200 KB. We didn't use R condition here, right? That means it should meet the both the requirements, right?
Oh,
did you get the logic?
If it is both are true, then only it will show the result.
Perfect. See, how can file see, first my requirement is it should be less than 200 KB. Okay, less than 200 KB means whatever the files which are having 100 KB, 50 KB, something like that, even like less than 100. and you are telling again the file should be more than 4 KB. How can it be more than 4 KB? 4 MB, sorry, 4 MB. Both the conditions it cannot satisfy, right? Both the conditions should be satisfied, then only you will get the result. If you don't use -o option here in the middle, and if you give here -o option, then you're going to get the files. You're going to get the file names here. Let's wait. Let's see here. Now you got the result. That means now we used -o option, right? That means it is going to take the both the conditions. That means it is going to list out all the files which are having less than 200 KB. For example, consider there are 400 files. Okay, and then it is going to consider more than 4 MB files also. Consider there are 500 files. Then what it is going to give is 400 plus 500, 900 files it is going to give, like that. For our logic, both the conditions it is going to take. Whereas for AND logic, it is going to give the results only when the two conditions satisfies. Okay. Are you clear with that?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. The second question is how to use search result of find command. We can how to use search result of find command, that is question. Okay, how you can do that? We can perform any operation like CP, MV, RM, etc. on the results of find command. For this, we have to use -exec. Okay, execute option. Did you understand this question and answer?
How to execute? We didn't discuss that.
I mean, like you'll be getting, for example, consider this slash dev. We got it. We'll be getting the results, right? I mean, like this, we'll be getting the results. We'll be getting the results. And if you want to perform any operation, if you want to perform any operation on this search result of find command, now if you click enter, you are going to get the result, right? Like this, you are going to get result 502. Perfect, right? And if you want to perform any commands, any operation like a copy command, move command, RM command, any command you want to perform, if you want to execute such any operation, then you will use -exec, and then you can mention your command. For example, you want to what you want to do, you want to, what I can say, it's
Can we do the
again I will say WC -C. Now I want to list out the characters. What it is saying, WC invalid option, characters is there, right? What I will say, hyphen W, I will say word. Word is also W invalid option. Let me clear the screen. They should, I'm just checking whether how can we do that. Let me use MV command. MV, no, instead of this one, what I will say is, let me use this one. Just simple, whatever the search result you got on this, you want to perform any operation. For that purpose, you will be using this exec, execute command. Let me see what directories are there. Yeah, here there are directories. I will use this dir1. Inside dir1, there are so many things, right? Then let me see dir1. Yeah, perfect. I can take that example. Okay, find dir1. Okay, perfect. Now inside I want to again inside this find dir1. What I want to do is I want to list out, not list. What I will do, there are files, right? First, let me pipe symbol. Let me see what will get. Yeah, I want to search file 6. For example, I want to rename this file 6. Okay, file 6 I want to rename to file, let's tell, I will give name, I will change file 6 name to any file name. I will do that, see, directly. Okay, now I got it. Now hyphen exec and then move file 6.txt to what I will say, I will say Karthik dot txt. Okay, now just click enter. Missing argument to exec. What argument should we use? One second, let me open the man page. Exec, okay. Family exec. Nothing is available even in the function duplicates the operation and fetching the executable file the final doesn't not function. Okay. I can need then this not specific where the argument. Okay, we'll see any example in the Google. We'll see any example. What I will say. Let me open this one. Here there is no example. That is why I'm searching in the Google. Okay, what it does is exe command in Linux is used to execute a command from the bash itself. This command does not this command. I don't know. Malproducing file, this is for creating output and error logging respect to okay. This is not the thing we are looking for. I think this will be useful for redirection, something kind of thing. Let's see an example so that we'll understand on the example purpose. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Here you are able to see, right, that they have used this one in the shell scripting as well. See here, exec df and then hyphen kh. If you want to run this program in the k shell and then for that purpose he has used, useful in cases when we don't want to return to the main script once the subscript of the program is executed. I mean, like, as if now, don't think about this exec command, since like it is going to cover in the shell scripting. We'll discuss again in the shell scripting as well. Even in the notes, we don't have any. See, for redirection, he has used here. See, he has used the exec for redirection. Okay, anyway, let's not waste our time. Basically, sorry. Basically, the purpose of exec is if you can perform any operations on the results of find command. I mean, like you got the output of the find using the find command, you got the output. And if you want to perform any operations like this, we can use we can use this exec command, but it is telling me missed arguments. What arguments I should use? I'm not clear here. Let me use -e argument. We'll see whether it is going to work out. Yeah, again, it is saying the same thing. Okay, let's not waste our time. To copy all files present in a /etc folder where file size is greater than 2 KB to directory 1 present in the desktop. This is my requirement.
Whatever files inside the etc, we need to put in the desktop, right?
Yeah, we need to put it in the, we need to copy all the files and then we need to put it in the directory one. I think this is an example. I will show the thing with exe command as well. Fine. If I use /etc, I am going to get whatever things present in this one. I am using type. I want to get the files. Now you understood, right? I am searching in the etc directory all the files. Okay. Now condition is size. What should be size? Size should be less than 2 KB. Okay, perfect. 2 KB. And I want to copy. I want to copy all these files, right? I want to copy all these files, whatever present in with this condition. I want to copy. How you can do is -exec and then cp and then just give this curly braces here and then give the directory name here dir one is present and then end this with backslash and then semicolon. See, cannot open. There are few things it doesn't have the permission since I logged in as a root user. Now let us see the dir one, whether the files are present in dir one or not. See, it has copied few files into the dir. See here, you are able to see the right. These are all the dir directory. I mean, like /etc files has been copied to that directory. I think what is the missing argument is the curly braces here. Okay. In this command, we use the curly braces here, right? We have used -exec, and then we need to mention the what operation you want to perform, and then you need to give the curly braces here. Okay, this is the syntax here. Okay, and then this is one thing you can do. Even you can mention before here, before the CP option, you can mention size C. 1 second. You can mention here instead of exec, you can mention OK also, something like this. Okay, okay, and just click enter. See, it is asking me, do you want to copy? I will say yes. Why? Again, it is do you want to copy? Yes. Do you want to copy? Yes. Do you want to copy? Yes. I don't want to copy this. No. I don't want to copy this. No. Like that. Okay. It will be horrible if there are so many files. It will be horrible. It is asking me for every file. See? If you give OK here, like this, you are going to get. If you give -exe, it is going to be execute without any prompt. Okay. This is another. Let me cancel this one. Let me clear the screen. You understood, right? That these two purpose. What is the purpose of exec and then -ox? Okay. Okay. There is an assignment. Okay. Create a directory named with the magic. In that directory, we need to have 100 directories. Inside that 100 directories, we need to create 100 files. Okay, that is our require. First, we need to do that. Okay, let's do that one. How you can do that? Just simple mkdir and then magic. Okay, then it is going to create magic directory. Inside magic directory, again we need to create 100 1 dot 100 directories. It is going to create Again, inside this 100 directories, again, you want to create. First, let us create this one. What it is saying? Tree magic. I will use the name. Uh, Let me clear the screen. Let's check whether the magic directory is present or not. Magic directory is not created. Why it is not created? Because we didn't give the complete path -p option. We didn't give it. That is why it is not created. Let's go back mkdir -p and then magic. Okay, magic is done. Now what I will say, inside magic directory, I need to create again dir and then 1.100 I want to create. Now let's see the magic directory. See, 100 directories are present. Okay. Now let me clear the screen. Inside this one, I want to create 100 files. How we can do is touch and then magic, and then inside this one we need to do. I need to give the directories path as well. 1.100. Okay, perfect. And then come out of this one. Again, we need to give the files. Files. Give this one 1.100 dot txt. Perfect. Just click enter. That is done. Now just clear the screen and just let's see inside what all the things are present. See, files also present. Perfect. We have done our requirement. You understood what we have done is right.
Yeah, got it. Once again, what is the mkdir minus p?
mkdir minus p is absolute path. We are mentioning the absolute path, right? See, suppose if you want to create folder inside folder, you cannot directly like for example, I want to create a folder Kiran, and then I want to create inside Kiran. I want to let's take like this. I want to create a folder parent. Inside this parent, I want to create a child folder or directory. If you give like this, it is not going to create because I mean, like if you want to create a child folder inside parent folder, first parent folder should be present, right?
Mhm.
If parent folder is already present, then it is not going to give error. But we need to create a folder inside folder. For that purpose, what you can do is you can give the absolute path. This is absolute path. Okay. If you give this -p option, then it is not going to create any errors, and you will be able to create both the files. I mean, like first it is going to create parent folder. Inside parent folder, you are going to get the child folder. Just click enter. Now just see tree parent. If you give, you are going to see here parent is like this. Did you understand this? What is absolute path, relative path? I think I have explained very clearly at the beginning. Are you clear now? What purpose we are using -p option?
Yeah, I got it. Minus p. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Now you understood this. This what we have done. We have created a magic directory. We have created a magic directory. Inside magic directory, if you see, there are 100 directories. In each directory, again we have created 100 files. That is why we got 10,000 files here. Okay, if you scroll up here, see, in each directory. Now, if you see here, see 88 directory, we are having 100 files like that. In 1 to 100 directory, each directory you will be having 100 files. Okay, that is done. Okay, and now there is a command, this one, touch. Suppose this is my requirement. I'm just giving you the requirement. I want to create a file. I want to create a file named with key. I will say I will use your name Jobby. I want to create a file named Jobby, and this file I want to create in any of these 10,000 files. Okay. any of these 10,000 files I want to create anything like a latry based system will be there, right? You want to create it anywhere here. How you can do is simple things. Just use this one. Use this command touch magic. We are giving the directory here. Inside this directory we have this dir, and then give this parenthesis here. This is the syntax here. You need to give shuffle. Shuffle means shuffle. You know the shuffle meaning, right? Shuffling of those things. And then you give this hyphen I option, and then 1-100, and then just give space hyphen n, and then give here 1, and then what is the file name you want to create where anywhere, just give jobby.txt file you want to create. See, you are shuffling the directories. Hyphen I option means ignore the case 1-100, and this is name, and then hyphen n, and then you are giving the file name what you want to create. Just click enter. What it is saying. Syntax error near as unexpected token. I think we need to use here dollar symbol. Okay, we need to use here dollar symbol. This is just give me 1 minute. We should use dollar symbol. You'll understand why I use this. Is we can say command substitution. Okay, just click enter. Now it is perfect. Now we are not sure where this jobby file has been created in this 100 directories and files. If now tell me how we can find that file using now whatever we have discussed yesterday, we can use those things. See, now this is your requirement. Like you got a task from your lead or anyone. Hey Jobby, I mean like I need to find where the Jobby file is present. Someone has asked you. Think like developer has asked you. Now how you can find the file? Will you go to this magic directory like this? CD magic directory. Go to this magic directory and ls give ls hyphen ldr. Okay, there are 100 directories. Each directory I will go inside each directory. I will search like that. Is it going to work out? Hello.
Quite hard.
Then how you can do it? We can do it by using find command, right? Simple. Just give find. Where you want to find? You want to find in magic directory. What you want to find?
Type minus type file.
Yes. F.
Yeah. Joby.
Joby means how it is going to recognize. It is name, right? You need to search with hyphen name argument, right? Hyphen name, and then single quotations or double quotations, name of the file .txt. Where it is present? 41 directory it is present. Now you can directly go cd magic slash dir41, enter. Now ls hyphen ldr. See here 41 directory it is present. Now you understood the purpose of find command. For this purpose you can use the find command.
Show me that command again.
Simple. Find
minus type.
Find. And then where you want to find? You want to find it in magic directory. What you want to find?
Type.
File. What you want to find? File you want to find. What is the name of the, how you want to find? Based on what scenario you want to find? You want to find by name. That is why I am using hyphen name. What is the name of the file?
Joby.txt.
Is the name of the file.
Perfect. Okay.
Simple. Okay. Using this find command, we have many ways to find the. You can do the search operation by how many types we can do by. We can find the files only. We can find the directories only. and then even we can find the by name also, name of the directory also we can find. If you say here I want to find same things I will use here. See, I will use the same thing here, not this one. Shuffle one I have used it, right? Using shuffle one, what I can do, I will create a directory here. I will create a thing touch I have used here. Instead of touch, what I will use, directory. I will create a directory. Let's see, mkdir. Okay, inside magic directory I am shuffling where I want to create. What I will say, I will create jobby directory. I will create jobby directory here. Jobby, just click enter. Now jobby directory has been created. Now you want to search this jobby directory where it is present. Tell me the command.
Find magic minus type D, then minus name.
Okay, find magic hyphen type
D.
yeah, sorry, D
D.
hyphen name double quotations jobby.
Yeah.
Just click enter. See, in 31 directory, this directory is created. Now, if you want to check, if you want to go there, you can just like this. 31. Now just ls hyphen ldr. If you do, see directory, you can see here D option. Even the color is also blue color. That is how you can find it. Okay. Okay. Let's move to the next one. Okay. Now what you want now I'll just explain my requirement. Now you want to move that jobby.txt txt file to desktop. You want to move that first you need to see already, I mean like you know where the direct, I mean like the jobby file is present. First you need to find out, first find out the file where the file is present. Okay, once you find out this file, you need to move this file to desktop. Move the file to desktop. This is my requirement. Just tell me the command how you can do it. Yes, I'll help you, don't worry. Yes, fine.
So magic minus type.
Yes, magic. What do you want to find?
Type.
File you want to find. Perfect.
Minus name, hyphen name.
Yes. Yes.
Single quote jobby.txt.
Okay. Jobby.txt. Perfect. Now the first one is done. I am able to find the file. This is completed. This is completed. Okay. Now I want to move this file. I want to move this file to desktop. Tell me. How you can do that?
Minus execute.
Yes, minus exec.
Okay, yeah.
What is the command used to move?
MV. Or
yes, perfect. Move MV, and then you need to give this curly braces. This is the syntax. If you are using exec, you need to give this curly braces. Okay, where you want to move?
Actually, desktop. So desktop.
Yes, desktop. What will be? I mean, like just give this tilde symbol. That is present working directory. That means home. My what is my home directory? /home /Kiran, right? That is a /home. It is going to, I mean, like just give this symbol. If you give this tilde symbol, it is going to give the home user directory. That is /home /Kiran. Then just give the desktop here. D is capital S T O P, desktop. And then once after doing this one, give this backward slash and then this semicolon. This is how you close this thing. This is for closing. If you don't close it, you will get errors. Okay. Now just click enter. See here. You are able to see the jobby file here, right? Jobby file has been moved to the directory. Okay. Now same thing. I want to move that jobby directory to the desktop. How you can do that?
Type D.
Type.
Find
No,
magic.
just tell me. If you tell, then you will be familiar with the syntaxes. You will be familiar. That is why I'm asking you.
So
Find.
actually find the directory, find magic minus type D.
Yeah. Yes. Find magic, and then where you want what you want to find. You want to find
Correct.
direct. That is why type -d. I'm going to give.
Mhm.
Find with the name. What is the name of the directory you want to find? You want to move to Jobby. You want to move Jobby. Okay, that is done. Now you want to move that, right? That is why you are using this exec. Where you want to move? You want to move to desktop. Okay, same thing you can do. Just gives the space here. Just tilt symbol, just like this. Then DESKTOP, and then you should close it by using this one. Just click enter. What it is saying? No such file or a spelling mistake. Desktop spelling mistake I have given. Is it moved? I think it has moved, but I'm not able to see the file. What happened?
Refresh.
Nothing to refresh here.
Maybe behind the command line. Command prompt.
No, behind the command line also it is not available. No, it is not available. Let me find the file where I think no such file or directory it is telling, but file is present, right? The find it is able to find. Move command it is not working out.
What's
Sorry.
how about copy CP?
Yeah, CP will work out. CP is going to work out. CP is going to work out. CP means you want to copy the directory. That is going to work out. That is not a problem. But move is not working out the directory. Okay. Anyway, we can try it. Maybe it is an issue. I don't know why it is not working out. Let me try again. It is not giving me any error, but directory is not present. I'm just trying to see where the file is present. The OB file. Desktop. Okay, inside desktop, maybe inside desktop, I think. No,
No.
inside desktop, there is no magic directory is available here. Let us find where that is present. Okay, what I can do is let's go to this terminal. Inside using this one, let's find out here. Array, did we sorry, I mean like we have removed this file, right? I have removed that file. I removed that file. That is why that file is not present. Okay, sorry. I removed, right, rm-rf jobby. I have done that command. That is why we are not able to find. Now I'll just create this first. Now it is clear. It has been created. Now what I will say, I will search it. Now it is in the 70 file. Now I will move it. Okay, now I will move that. Okay, perfect. Magic hyphen. Okay. Just close this one. Now I'll just click enter. See, now it has been moved. It has come here. I mean like once after creating this one, I have removed it.
Okay, got it.
See, same thing. If you want to remove, what you can do is just come down here. rm-rf. This is not required. Come here. What is it? Desktop should be. Sorry, desktop should be there, right? Like this, and then desktop. Just put enter. Just remove. See, it is gone. Okay. You can perform any operation on that. Okay, this is another one. If you want to remove the file, I have showed it right now. Okay, that is the assignment. You understood this purpose of find command and exec also. There
Hmm.
are like questions. The find command uses a database to search files and directory. Is it true or false?
Uh,
Hmm?
what was the question again? Tell me. Find command.
The find command uses a database to search files and directories.
Search and directories for find command. Yes.
Hmm. It is that is false, right? I mean, find command is not going to search in the database, right? It is going to
Oh,
search in the
file
file
system.
system hierarchy.
Okay.
Yes. To find files and directories inside slash dev folder and limit its search to only 2 levels of depth. What is the command? I will just give the options. Did you understand the question first? See, you want to search files and directories inside slash dev, and you want to search only to level 2, that is depth of 2. You want to go till depth 2. How you can do that is find and then
Minus
hyphen star. I'm just giving the options. Just tell me what is the correct option. Dev depth 2. This is the first option. Next option is find slash dev slash depth 2. This is the second option. Find slash dev hyphen max depth 2. Which is the correct option?
find. The third one.
The third one is wrong option.
Max.
I see. I'll give this. I will give this. By intentionally, I have given that like that. See, we'll see whether it is going to work out or not. What it is saying? That is wrong option. I have told you at the time of using this max depth, you need to just give only one hyphen.
Oh,
One hyphen should be, yeah. I have intentionally given their double hyphens. Okay.
okay.
Root directory where file dot txt. Okay, you want to find
Dev minus depth.
directory where file name starts with where file name ends with dot txt. What is the syntax? Find slash dot star txt. This is the first one. I think you instead of telling the command, we can type the command. If I tell the command, you can easily understand. If you now tell me the command, you want to search files from the root directory where the file name ends with .txt. How? What is the command? Tell me.
Go to the root command. Okay. Okay.
Find slash
Tilde
type type
type file.
type. What do you want to search?
F.
File. You want to search files with the
Then
name
star.txt.
and star.txt. Perfect. This is going to give the output. This is the correct option. So you are going to get the output. Okay. Let me clear the screen. This is done. To find all files and directories inside slash dev directory up to maximum depth of 3 and size greater than 200 kilobyte. Same thing. Just give this one. Find you want to find where you want to find slash root directory, you want to find under device folder. Max depth, you want to use first max depth of how many, max depth of 3, that is fine. You want to not with the what is that, Type, you don't want to use type here, you want to find with size. Just give like this, hyphen size. Size should be greater than 200 KB. That means plus 200K. If you give, you are going to get. Why? You are going to get. There are no files which are greater than 200 KB. Is it max depth? It is not working out.
Minus 2K.
3 file. Sorry.
Try minus 200K.
Yeah, I will see that. Yeah, we are getting that. Perfect. Which of the following command will find all files below our home directory where file size is greater than 3 megabytes and remove all the files? Simple. You want to find all files, find. You want to find in home directory, you can use dot, else you can use this tilde symbol. You want to find files, hyphen f, you want to find size plus 3 MB, and then what you want to do, you want to
Minus
hyphen
execute.
exe, and then remove these files. This is the syntax. Remove the files and then close it. It is going to work out. Okay, I don't want to remove that.
Yeah.
This is going to be the command.
Okay.
Okay. Now there is a simple box available here. I will explain the difference between find and locate command. Okay, bear with me for 5 more minutes. We are going to close this. See, find and then locate. Let me move this a little bit here. Okay, perfect. Find. See what it search directly in the file system. What the find where it is going to search? It is going to search in the file system. File system hierarchy. File system hierarchy. It is going to search for the required files and directory. Whereas what is the purpose where it is going to search? It is going to search in the database. Okay, and then second one is find command has number of options and easy to customize based on our requirement. That is true, right? We can search with the file name, we can search with the file size, we can search to maximum depth, all those things. Has number of options, easy to customize, easy to customize based upon our requirement. Okay, this is the one. But whereas this has very few options, right? Locate has only very few options. Limit, and then what is the options we used for the locate command? One is hyphen limit, hyphen follow, hyphen L. Only few options this locate command has. Whereas this has so many commands. We can find files based on name, type, size, depth, age, user, group, permissions. Also, we can find it. Okay, all those things I have showed it, right? Name we can find, size we can find, even user permissions also we can find. There are many group permissions also we can find. There are so many things. But whereas we cannot, we can reduce the depth search. Okay, what we can do is here we can find files only based on names and permissions. Names and permissions we can do it. Names and permissions. This is one. We can reduce the depth of the search. Here we can reduce the depth, right? We can limit our depth to 1, 0, something 3, 4, 5. We can use a depth option here. We can reduce the depth. Reduce the depth here. Whereas we cannot reduce the depth here. Cannot reduce the depth.
Okay.
Not reduce the depth here. Find command will produce accurate results as it searches directly in the file system. Okay, it is going to give accurate results. Why it is going to give the accurate results is it is going to search directly in the file system hierarchy. Locate command won't produce accurate results as it searches in the database, which will be updated only once per day. I have showed it with the example. I have created the Karthik file and we didn't get the output. And then once I updated the database, we got the accurate results, not accurate. Okay, this is, and then find command won't produce deleted files in search results as it searches. Okay, and then for example, I mean like consider there are like some deleted files. We have deleted some files, and if you use this find command, it is not going to give the output of the deleted files. Whereas this locate command, it is even if we delete the files, even it is going to give the deleted files. Why? Why it is going to give the deleted files as well?
Database has not updated.
Yes, perfect. There is a way to use search results by using -exe command. We can use -exec command. For example, if you want to perform any operation on the find result, we can use this exe command. But whereas we cannot use this exe command here. Exe command we cannot use. Cannot use exe command. And then find command operates slowly. Sorry, it is going to operate slowly. Whereas this is fast. Whereas this is fast because it is going to search in the database. These are all the difference. I have noted 8 difference. Okay, 8 differences are there. Any doubts in the find command and locate command?
I'm good.
Okay, I think like yesterday we thought about something to discuss, right? Let me
Um,
okay.
word count.